In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the stock screener in Tradingview. By the end, you'll know how to access the screener, set meaningful filters, tailor the data you see, and adjust timeframes so the results match the way you like to analyze markets. First, let's open the tool. From the main Tradingview menu, click Products. Then choose Screener. You'll see options for stock, crypto, or forex. Pick the one that matches what you are researching. For example, choose stock if you want to scan listed companies, crypto for digital assets, or forex for currency pairs. This ensures every filter and metric you use is relevant to that market. Next, we'll define filters to narrow the list to tradable. Quality candidates. Click the filter button near the top of the screener. Start with market cap and set it to greater than 10 billion if you want larger. More established companies that typically have more stable price action. Add average volume and set it above 100. 0 to make sure T here is enough liquidity for smoother entries and exits. Then consider price change percent to surface momentum. Positive percentages can highlight assets that are moving up. Negative percentages can help you find pullbacks or potential reversals. You can stack multiple filters together, and as you do, watch the results count update. If you end up with too few results, loosen one or two thresholds. If you get far too many, tighten them gradually until you land on a manageable list. Now, tailor what you see in the table so the key information is front and center. Use the tabs above the results, performance, valuations, or technicals to choose which metrics to display. Performance can show returns over various periods. Valuations can surface ratios like price to earnings, and technicals can include indicators and signal. Focus data. Toggle on only the columns you truly use so the view stays clean and scannable. This helps you compare candidates at a glance without digging into each chart right away. Finally, set timeframes that match your workflow. Adjust filters and display settings to analyze daily, weekly, or specific time-based data. If you track early moves or late session activity, include pre-market or after. Hours performance. Just remember that extended hours can be less liquid and more volatile. And not every symbol has complete data outside regular sessions. Confirm your time zone and session settings so you are evaluating the right window. That's the workflow. Access the screener, apply targeted filters. Customize your data view and align the time frame with your strategy. Keep it consistent, refine over time, and let the screener serve up the opportunities that fit your plan.